In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MatriSites platform to build a website for your daycare service. If you've just stumbled across this video and you aren't familiar with MatriSites is the fastest way to launch a simple website for your small business. No coding required. You can literally have something ready in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only $9 a month, and there is a free trial available. The great thing about the free trial is that you don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, give it a bash, and see how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website on the MatriSites platform for our daycare service. Once you've signed up on the MatriSites platform, put in your email address and your password. It's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. There are hundreds of different markets available for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. We are updating them every single week. However, if you've just come across this video and you don't even have a daycare service, you have another small business or side hustle, and you can't quite find the market over here, comment below and let us know and we will add it. Great, so let's go ahead and search for our market over here. I'm going to go ahead and search for daycare, and there is daycare center, so I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Great, now MatriSites is going to ask me a few basic details about my daycare service. I'm going to put my details in and it's literally going to work its magic and generate a one-page website for me and do all the hard work. So let's go ahead and put in our company name over here. And I'm going to go ahead and put in our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use MatriSites. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. Great, now MatriSites is doing its thing and there we go. It's literally generated a one-page website for me and did all the hard work. So look at that. Let's walk through it and have a look. Looks really, really great. The beauty of MatriSites is everything is pre-written for me. Content is pre-written. Images are pre-selected. They are all royalty-free, free to use, no licensing required. However, if the images we've pre-selected and the content we've pre-written for you just doesn't quite work for you and your daycare service, that is completely okay. Everything is amendable. So I'm going to walk you through each section and show you how easy it is to use, how easy it is to make the changes. Just give you a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. So I'm first going to go ahead and click on the top and work my way down. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update section and put in my email address over here. Great. I'm now going to click on show email and site, and my email is now going to be displayed on the top right hand corner of my MatriSites. My customers can easily click on it now. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number, and that again will be displayed on the top right hand corner of our MatriSites page. Our customers and potential customers, when they come to our website, can easily click on that. It is click to call. Great, so let's go ahead and put in our physical location over here and our postal code. Now that is now displayed on the top left-hand corner of our MatriSites website. Our customers can click on it and it will directly take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Really helpful. So I'm going to save that and move on to the next section, update social links. I'm now putting in our Instagram page and our Twitter. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the service is working for you. We'd love to hear your feedback. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. If there's any other social media platforms that you are active on that haven't been mentioned here, let us know in the comments below and we will make sure we add it. Let's click on save and they will now be displayed on the top right hand corner of our page. Customers can easily click on it and be taken directly to your social media platforms, engage with you, give you a follow and see what you're up to. Awesome. So let's close that section and move on to the next. I'm going to click on update section and head over to update logo. Now, if you've recently launched your daycare and you don't quite have a logo yet, that's completely okay. MatriSites will display your name on the top left hand corner over here, and it still looks really professional. However, if you do have a logo, we can go ahead and browse from our computer and upload it here. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. It can be made bigger and smaller. You can resize it to suit your needs, but I think that's absolutely perfect. So I'm going to leave it as is and click on save. If you don't have a logo and you would really like to have a logo, but you don't have a huge budget for it, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are a few great options there. Look at that. Looks awesome. Now, perhaps the colors we've pre-selected for you here just don't quite work for your branding. You have a completely different branding, and that's completely okay. We've used like a royal blue throughout the websites, as you can see here. However, that can be amended, and you don't need to know color coding. You don't need to be a website developer. No coding necessary. Just click on the paint bucket over here and work your way through the different color palettes to see which one works best for you and your business. So let's see what works. That one looks great. So I'm going to leave it as that and click on save. We are adding more color palettes every single week. However, if there's a specific color branding that you want, comment below or send us a social media image and let us know and we will add it. Great. So I'm now going to move on to the next section over here. Again, pre-written content to make your life as easy as possible. Images pre-selected, but they can be amended to suit your business needs. So let's go ahead and click on update section and click on update image. You can go ahead and browse from your device and upload an image from your device if you have one. Alternatively, you can search through the photo library and there are hundreds of images to choose from. Just amend the words you're typing in a little bit and just see what you can come up with. So there we go. This one could be suitable, or perhaps this. Again, images are all free to use, royalty free, no licensing required. So I'm going to go ahead and select this image. Feel free to change up the words and see what images come up. I'm going to save that and close, and let's look at that. Yep, that looks really great. On to the next section. Again, this is amendable. Click on update section as well as the button. Let's go ahead and click that and click on update. Over here, we can change the copy to suit our needs as well as the button. Perhaps you don't want it to say contact us. You want to say you are right. So we're going to go ahead and change that. Now, with the button, it can link to various places. We can go ahead and choose link and link to another website. Perhaps you want to link to another section of your website over here, so we can link to the end, the contact form, the lead form, which I'll get to in a minute. Otherwise, we can link to an action like directions or click to call or click to email. And another great option is a PDF file that you can upload. So perhaps you want to upload a PDF file with all your different daycare rates and the services you offer. You can go ahead and upload a PDF file that when your customers click on the button, it will directly take them to the PDF file. Great. So let's move along. Okay, so over here we've got an about us section. Perhaps you can just put in a little bit more details on how you got started in the daycare service, why you love children so much, why it's your passion. Give us a little bit more details here so our customers can get a little bit more information and get to know you. Again, image is pre-selected over here, but it can be amended by clicking on update section over here. Great. Another really suitable image, works well for a daycare. However, if you would like to add your own, feel free to click on update section and browse from your computer or search from the photo library. Now we've reached the services section. This is where you can put a little bit more details on what your daycare offers. Perhaps you have an infant room or a toddler program. Maybe put some more details on the ages your daycare accepts over here and all the different activities you do with the kids. Again, image can be amended, but that is really suitable for a daycare. Looks really professional and again free to use, no licensing needed. Now we've made our way onto the last section of our MatriSites website. This is the form where your customers can reach out to you. But a common question we get asked at MatriSites is when my customers fill in this form, how will I know? Where does their message go? I have no idea. And that is a really great question. So when they fill in this form and submit it, it will get directly emailed to you. You will get a notification via email. However, you will also find it in your dashboard, which I'm going to take you over to in a second. Let's just go through our MatriSites website one more time, have a look at it and see. It literally took me under 10 minutes to build this website. It's all amendable, only $9 a month. Really great. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stop editing and I'm going to head to the site dashboard. Over here, we can find our leads from that form. When our customers have submitted the form, they will be under here. With your multi-sites website, we understand you want it as professional as possible. So we do give you the option to connect your custom domain. There is another YouTube tutorial on how to do that, how to link your custom domain. Alternatively, you can head over to the MatriSites website at www.matrisites.com and there is a tutorial in our blog post how you can do that. However, if you're still struggling to connect your domain, drop us a message, drop us a social media message or an email, and we can literally add the domain for you. We can link it, do all the hard work. We are here to help you. So I hope this tutorial was helpful on how to use the platform to build a website for your daycare service. Really wishing you mighty success with your daycare. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like us to incorporate into the service, we'd love to hear your feedback. We appreciate it. And don't forget the thumbs up.